Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Thrive Media. In this video we're going to be talking about how to use Revolut virtual card. So what's amazing about this kind of virtual card, especially if you get it with Revolut, is that as soon as you complete a purchase, the card then becomes invalid. And if you or anybody else tried the same exact details that were on the card, it wouldn't work. And this shows the beauty of a single-use virtual card. Let's say that the merchant or the company that you used the card to buy stuff with gets hacked and your information gets stolen, then it wouldn't matter at all because that virtual card can never be used again, and your real financial accounts stay protected. So single-use virtual cards are great for security, but there are also multi-use virtual cards that you can shop with repeatedly. And these also still have a kind of advantages. For one, you will get instant access to a spending card. You could sign up with a provider like Revolut and immediately get a virtual card to use, instead of waiting for a plastic card in the mail. You can use a virtual card online by entering the details manually at checkout or link it to a digital wallet such as Apple Pay to tap and pay in stores. It acts just like a physical card without having to carry a wallet. Another perk is that you can't really lose a virtual card or have it stolen. And I really like using them for new monthly subscriptions, so I don't have to update all of my subs if my real card gets lost. Making a new virtual card each time can be painful, but tools like Revolut's Shopper extension makes it really easy. You just have to click to generate a new single-use card instantly. So if you want to try virtual cards, check out Revolut. It's absolutely amazing for virtual cards, plus the fee-free international usage and perfect exchange rates. Most of the big banks charge ridiculous fees on foreign transactions. For example, if you wanted to buy something from a seller in Turkey, if I used my German card for example, I would have paid a lot of fees. But instead, if you use a single-use Revolut card, you avoid the fees and you get the best exchange rate. And I could still get a refund to my Revolut account even though the card itself was single-use. So lots of providers have virtual cards now, such as Starling Bank. And the bottom line is virtual cards enhance security and convenience when used wisely. And one last thing you can do with virtual cards is that you can create a virtual card for repeated use, and then every single time you wanted to use that card, you can just transfer the exact amount of money to it and use it to pay that exact amount. That way you keep the funds from your original bank account protected, and you also don't have to fear the compromise of your own card details. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this one.